FoxWallet app. The pros, the cons. FoxWallet has been gaining traction as a lightweight, user-friendly crypto wallet designed for web users. But how does it really compare to the competition? Let's look at the pros and cons to find out if it's worth your time. Starting with the pros, FoxWallet's biggest strength is its simplicity and design. The interface is clean, fast, and intuitive, perfect for beginners who want to manage assets without getting lost in complex menus. Another major plus is multi-chain support. FoxWallet works across several major blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB Smart Chain, giving users the flexibility to manage multiple tokens all in one place. It's especially popular among users exploring the MENA protocol, as it offers native support that few wallets provide. FoxWallet also shines when it comes to security and privacy. It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning you hold your private keys and have full control over your assets. The app also doesn't collect unnecessary user data, a key feature for those who value anonymity in the crypto space. Now, let's look at the cons. One limitation is limited DeFi integration. While it does support Web connectivity, the number of compatible decentralized apps is still smaller compared to bigger wallets like MetaMask. Another issue is that FoxWallet is still relatively new and untested at scale. That means it may not yet have the same level of community trust, partnerships, or extensive support that more established wallets enjoy. In conclusion, the FoxWallet app offers an impressive blend of simplicity, security, and growing multi-chain functionality. The surprising truth? It might not be the biggest player in the space, but for users who value control, privacy, and ease of use, FoxWallet is one to keep an eye on.